Cardiff Youth Service is taking a cutting-edge approach to training its youth workers, thanks to the use of virtual reality technology from the organisation Round Midnight. This morning, more than a dozen youth workers participated in a hands-on training experience, where they learned how to operate the VR technology and run workshops with young people across the city.
As youth workers are always looking for different approaches and creative engagement tools to get young people to have conversations with us and to engage with the youth service. What's really exciting about this programme is they're using virtual reality in a really positive way to get young people engaged, to get them really involved in the programme early on.
The training programme, called Virtual Decisions Gangs, immerses participants in realistic scenarios that mirror real-world situations. The VR technology, which is often used in video games, is made even more powerful by the use of real-world actors aged 14 to 25, giving the training an authenticity that is unmatched.
I was watching it and I could see that the young people who were like the actors in the film, they were like a good representation of the young people I work with, I think, so I could see the kids I work with will respond to it quite well, I think.
A lot of young people around the city have been telling us that gangs and youth violence is a real issue in their communities. So what we're doing is bringing this programme to them to meet their needs, and this happening in a lot of communities. There's lots of gangs or young people are being peer pressured to be in a gang, and we're offering a programme where they can explore that kind of issue, what they would do in certain situations, what support is available, and how they can make better informed decisions moving forward.
The youth workers who participated in the training will now be running their own workshops using the VR technology and curriculum, giving them the tools they need to tackle real-world issues and situations, hoping to make a positive impact on the lives of young people in Cardiff. Reporting from Cardiff, Wales, I'm Hannah Debachi.